What is detailing? It is the art and craft of cleaning and restoring a vehicle to like-new condition. The team at Retro uses many tools to thoroughly clean the interior of your vehicle, including brushes, extractors, chemicals, vacuums, and compressed air. On the exterior, they work to remove contaminants and restore or maintain a new car shine. Retro detailing also works to keep your vehicle looking its best using several methods of fabric, leather, glass, and paint protection. Why do so many area residents choose Retro detailing? First, customers trust them with one of their largest investments. They are certified detailers with the International Detailing Association. They have detailed over 1,200 vehicles and just surpassed their 100th ceramic coating installation. Customers have given Retro detailing over 120 five-star reviews, and they've worked hard to invest in and maintain their state-of-the-art shop. If you own a vehicle, you need a detailer. Retro detailing caters to busy parents and grandparents, classic car owners, brand new vehicle owners, and everyone in between. They've removed maggots from carpet, cockroaches from seats, and mice from air vents. They've helped replace windshields, restore headlights, remove an exploded pumpkin, and even clean a diesel spill in a work truck. They can't remove scratches. They can only remove the appearance of them by leveling your clear coat. Each time that's done, you lose more of your clear coat until there's nothing left to protect your paint. That's why ceramic coatings are encouraged. The coating acts as a sacrificial layer that can be reapplied to keep your paint at its best and thickest. These before and after photos are examples of interiors that Retro sees every week. Customers also choose Retro detailing because of their commitment to the community. Each year, owners Doug and Dusty give their time, donations, and sponsorships to local charities, middle school and high school events, youth sports leagues, and more. Since 2019, they've donated more than $13,000. As Retro detailing heads into its 5th year of business, Doug and Dusty, thank you for your continued support and look forward to continuing to serve you.
Protection, correction, and restoration. There's no need for hesitation. Whatever the car may be, it's Retro detailing.